Hello everyone. So last episode we talked about multiplying binomials using the FOIL method. F-O-I-L, meaning you multiply the first terms, then the outer terms, then the inner terms, and then the last terms. So the example that we started out with was 5x plus 3 as our first binomial, multiplied by 2x plus 5 as our second binomial. Now, to multiply this, we do our first terms, then our outer terms, then our inner terms, and then our last terms. But what really are we doing there? Because what if we wanted to do something like trinomials, or quadrinomials, or bigger polynomials? What we would do is we would take this 5x and this 2x, and we multiply them together, and we take this 5x and this 5, and we multiply them together. That's the same exact thing as doing 5x multiplied by the whole thing, because if you distribute this 5x, you're doing the same thing. You're doing 5x times 2x, and then you're doing 5x times 5. So really, all you're doing when you do the FOIL method is you are distributing your 5x to the entire thing, and then you're distributing your 3 to the entire thing. So if we had something like a trinomial, and we wanted to multiply it by something else, let's leave this up just for reference, and we have something like n squared plus 6n minus 2, and we're going to multiply that by a binomial, like n plus 4. So if we're going to multiply these, let's multiply each term by this entire thing. So we end up with n squared multiplied by n plus 4 plus 6n multiplied by n plus 4 minus 2, or actually you could say plus a negative 2 multiplied by n plus 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just distribute these. We get n cubed plus 4n squared plus 6n squared plus 24n, and then negative 2 multiplied by n, so that's a negative 2n, and then negative 2 multiplied by 4 is minus 8. So then we realize we have some like terms. We have these n squared terms, and we have these n terms. So if we're going to combine these like terms, because this isn't a super long polynomial, this is just a quadrinomial, we just have some extra terms that we need to add together, because that's how we define our polynomial's number, which is the number of unlike terms that we have. So here we have n cubed, and then 4n squared plus 6n squared is plus 10n squared. And then we have 24n minus 2n, so that's plus 22n, and then minus 8. And that's our answer. So really, the FOIL method is really just distributing the first term by the whole thing, and then the second term by this other whole thing. That's really all you're doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm out.